Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about L-carnitine. So it is a metabolite. I have used it for quite a long time, when I started, not exactly when I started, but a few months or year, at least a year later I started using it, and it is something like I really think is a very good supplement. But I can count it in one of my best supplements. So L-carnitine, you can get it from anywhere. It is also available in medical shops, and if you are willing to take it, 1000 mg is the dosage which I recommend. And when you can take it either before workout, or you can take after any heavy meals. So now, what is the function of L-carnitine? So what actually L-carnitine do is, it takes the fat in your body to the mitochondria, through which mitochondria turns that fat into energy. So basically, what people say is that it turns fat into energy. Why it is? This is why it is counted as a fat burner. So according to me, is an amazing supplement only if you work. I mean, you have to take your proper diet, proper proportionate balanced diet, and you have to work out. That is the only way that L-carnitine is going to support you. If you're just taking the supplements, any supplement for that matter, if you're just taking the supplement and thinking it is going to create a magic in your body and you're going to get the results, no, that doesn't happen. You have to work to make that supplement. It is a supplement, so it needs only if you are working, that is only when they are really going to support you. It is something like a support system. So this is L-carnitine. For more such videos, keep subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon so that you keep updated, and do like, share and subscribe.